Hey guys, it's me, Fred Gaming, back with another awesome video. And today I am going to be playing, well, I'm kind of bored of playing ZombsRoyale.io, so I'm just going to play Zombs.io. It's a different game. It's build, defend, survive. Burn, 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 burn. So I am going to try this game, just see how it goes. There's a ZombsRoyale ad down there too. I kind of miss it. Okay. I have to gather wood. What do I do with the wood? Okay, everybody who plays this game, don't get offended by me, because I know nothing about this game. Walls. Hopefully those will defend me against the zombies. I heard that there are zombies in this game. I've actually never played it before. You delete. Okay, I gotta get some stone too, so I can make one of those OP crossbows. Number 4 right there. Oh no, T. Okay, I gotta get in my base. My beautiful base. Ooh, look at that crossbow. Oh no, these zombies are gonna kill me, aren't they? I feel bad at this game. Maybe I am. So, put down in the comments below or you can just answer the card that I'm probably gonna put up there. Who are you cheering for in the World Cup? I was cheering for Brazil until Belgium decided to be a jerk and beat them. Now I'm cheering for England or Croatia. I don't know. Is it daytime? I think it's daytime. No, I need this thing. Then go T. Build a gold mine. Because they told me to do that. Then I'm gonna get this. Go T. So I want to make another crossbow right there. I think I'm kind of getting the hang of this game already. Cannon tower. That sounds cool. Oh no, no, it's nighttime already? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm just gonna stand here, I guess. Well, this is a good method. Get away. Go. This is a cool game. Raiding chicken. What? No. No. No, what? I didn't want to sell that. What? What? No, what are you doing? What? No, you can't do that. That's not very nice, sir. Well, that's not good. Oh, I'm gonna die. I already know it. And my gold stash is dead. Are you really gonna be a jerk like that? Really? That guy is such a jerk. No shout out to him. Oh. Okay. It reloads the health. How do you make one of those swords? Oh, that's how it works. I think I should go like that. There we go. Oh yeah, those towers are doing a nice job. I wish that stone would just like get out of here. Shop. Oh. How do I close the shop? Oh. Oh yeah, I love having this. Oh, I'm dead. The only thing I could do is just point my bow and arrow at this thing and shoot. Oh. Looks like I did it. Just gonna get a bit more wood. Boom, boom, boom. I meant boom. Boom. I think I'm gonna build a cannon tower. Ooh, do I get to chop up someone's base now? Or these devil things? Oh no, he's hurting me. Ow. Oh, my recording time is almost up. Well, that's not good. Well, I guess if the recording just randomly stops without me knowing, well, I guess now you know why. I'm just gonna go in here, smack the zombies. You know, I'll just leave this episode here. I think there might be a part 2 of this game coming. So, as you can see, I did pretty well. You know, I have all those crossbows and stuff. So, yeah. See ya.